Hi, Dr. Horvath here. I'm sharing this video because I know you're dealing with low back pain and I want to help. But first, if you want a short guide, check out this cheat sheet. If you want some more information, keep watching. Many people with low back pain accidentally do things that make it worse, but I'm here to show you a 3-step process to keep your low back healthy for life. Step 1, maintain perfect squatting position. Always keep good form when bending, never round your low back. Maintain the natural curve in your low back just as you would with a perfect squat. This position prevents stress on the low back bones and discs, which can slip backwards if you bend incorrectly. When the bones in your lower back slip backwards, your brain detects less stability in the spine and will actually trigger the muscles in your low back to tighten to stabilize the spine. So avoid stretches that round your back, which may feel good temporarily, but they can actually worsen your pain. So if you want to stretch your QL muscles, for example, here's a better alternative. Step 2, add glute bridges to your daily routine. If you're not currently exercising, start with a simple 5-minute routine daily, especially while you're in care. So glute bridges stabilize your low back, minimizing pain even when you're slightly out of alignment. So here's how. You're going to lay on your back, knees bent, lift your hips to feel the burn in your glutes, not your pelvis. Make sure you're feeling this in your butt muscles. Begin with 20 reps, working up to 50 with 3 sets and breaks in between. I like to hold the last rep as long as possible for an extra burn, and then I just call it a day. And step 3, stretch your hamstrings and your glutes properly. Stretching these areas can relieve a lot of lower back tension, but remember rule 1, avoid rounding your lower back. Stretch your hamstrings and glutes separately, keeping as much of that curve as possible. For hamstrings, stretch one leg at a time, and for glutes, follow this position for the best results. You don't need to stretch constantly. Aim for 1 effective stretch a day. Hold it for 30 seconds to a minute, then ease off. Take a deep breath and stretch a little bit further. Hold that for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you're done. This daily routine can make a big difference. So to recap, rule number 1, step 1, perfect squatting position. Avoid rounding your back, especially when you're lifting or bending. Step 2, daily glute bridges. 3 sets of 20, working up to 50 for core stability and pain relief. And step 3, hamstring and glute stretches once a day. Hold, then you ease off, take a deep breath, stretch a little bit further, hold, and then you're done. So these 3 steps will help support your low back and relieve pain. Thanks for watching, and let's keep you on the path to lifelong wellness.